Hello students, today I will explain chapter 14th, that is electric current and its effect. This is your science chapter 14th name, okay. So let's start. Students, in this chapter we will read about the battery, cell, circuits, okay. So let's start, and first of all we will read about the symbol. So I want to show some picture in this topic. This is your electric cell. Just a minute. This is your electric cell, okay. This is your electric cell, electric bulb, switch on position, okay. At your home the board are used in which the switches are, so you can identify that on position and off position. This is switch off position, switch in off position. This is your battery. So we will read about the difference between electric cell and the battery and wire. So we will read these topics in this lesson. So let's start. Symbol of electric component. Symbol of electric component. Some common electric component can be represented by symbols. Students, there are many components of electric components. So each and every components can be represented by symbols. Some we will see in table 14.1. Some electric components and their symbols are shown as you seen in picture. As you have seen in picture, you may come across different symbol of these components in different book. However, in this book we shall be using the symbol shown here. Okay, look at the symbol carefully. In the symbol for the electric cell, notice that there is a longer line. So this is important. Just a minute. Notice that there is a longer line and a shorter, thicker parallel line. So you can identify this is the longer line and this is shorter and thick line. Okay, this is shorter and thick line. Do you recall that an electric cell has a positive terminal and a negative terminal? Remember that your electric cell consists of two terminals, that is your positive terminal and your negative terminal. In the symbol of the electric cell, the longer line, this longer line represents the positive terminal. This is your positive terminal. And the thicker shorter line, this one is your thicker and shorter line, it represents the negative terminal. So this is your negative terminal and this one is your positive terminal. So this is the this have the electric cell, positive terminal and negative terminal. For a switch on position and off position are represented by the symbol also. So from here we can say this is your electric cell and this consists of a positive terminal which show by a narrow line, and this is your thicker and shorter line which indicate the negative terminal. Okay, switch on position. What do you mean by the switch on position? So students, this is the circuit. So from here you can see this is the switch on position in which there is no interruption in the wire. But in off position you can see here is the breaking of the wire or the signal. Okay, from here you can also, this one and this one is not connected, but in this diagram these are connected. Okay, And what is battery? Student, do you know that the positive and negative terminal? Okay, combination of positive and negative terminal are combination of cell. This one is your cell. So if we combine one cell with another cell, then the battery is formed. The battery is formed. Last one is your wire. So at your home there are many wires. So from there you can identify it easily. Okay. So these are the some electric component and their symbol. You can see electric cell. This is your electric cell. This is your electric bulb. Switch on position. These are connected, and in off position there is no connection. Battery combination of cell. If one cell is combined with another cell, then this is called the battery, and simply this one is the wire. Student, many devices such as torches, transistor, toys, TV remote controls use batteries. These all have the batteries, means combination of cell. However, in some of these devices, the electric cell are not always placed one after the other as shown in figure. Sometimes the cells are placed side by side. So, if one cell is connected with another cell, okay, if one cell is connected with another cell, means that this is your cell and this one consists of positive terminal and negative terminal, and if we attach second cell, so it also connected with the positive negative. After negative there will be the positive terminal, and after positive there will be the negative terminal. So these are the combination of cells. Okay. So students, you know that the wire is also used in the combination. One positive terminal and second is the last terminal. Okay, from here you can see positive terminal and the negative terminal. Okay, so sometimes the cells placed side by side, sometimes the cells are placed side by side. Then how are the terminals of the cells connected? Look carefully inside the battery. Inside the battery you can see this is your battery. Sorry, this one is your battery. Inside the battery there are two terminals. There is usually a thick wire or a metal strip connected to the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next cell. So from here to there. Okay. In order to help you to place the cell correctly in the battery compartment, positive and negative symbols are usually printed there. In your cell, these symbols appear clearly and you have to see it clear. How can we connect the cells to prepare batteries for our activities? You may make a cell holder and as shown in figure 14.4, using a wooden block, two iron strips and rubber bands. It is necessary that the rubber bands hold the metal strips tightly. So student, as you know that these are the some batteries. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं एक बैटरी के पास पॉजिटिव एंड है, दूसरी बैटरी के पास आपका ये पॉजिटिव एंड हो गया, ये आपका नेगेटिव एंड हो गया। फिर जो दूसरी बैटरी कनेक्टेड है उसके पास भी एक के पास पॉजिटिव एंड है, दूसरे के पास नेगेटिव एंड है। सो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द सेल, these are the cell. So combination of cell makes what? Battery. So it forms battery. Okay, so from here you can see Figure 14.2a, a battery of 2 cells, a battery of 4 cells. ओके, ये आपकी 2 सेल की बैटरी हो गई, ठीक है, ये आपकी 4 सेल की बैटरी हो गई, ये आपकी 4 सेल्स की बैटरी हो गई। ओके, कनेक्टिंग 2 सेल्स टुगेदर टू मेक अ बैटरी। ये देखिए, ये आपकी सेल्स हैं और इन सेल्स में एक पॉजिटिव एंड यहाँ पे आपको दिखाया गया है और एक नेगेटिव एंड यहाँ पे, ये नेगेटिव एंड दिखाया गया है, ये पॉजिटिव एंड है। पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव एंड के बाद ये पॉजिटिव एंड, पॉजिटिव के बाद फिर नेगेटिव आएंगे हम, फिर पॉजिटिव जाएंगे, फिर नेगेटिव, ऐसे हम कॉम्बिनेशन के थ्रू एक बैटरी का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं। ओके, फ्रॉम नेगेटिव एंड टू पॉजिटिव एंड, आफ्टर पॉजिटिव वी विल कंसीडर द नेगेटिव, आफ्टर दैट पॉजिटिव, सो बाय दिस मैनर we make a battery. So 14.3 suggests that connecting 2 cells together to make a battery properly. This is your cell holder. This is your cell holder. And this 14.5 holder for battery of 2 cells. In your remote you can see TV remote. Okay, now you could also buy cell holder from the market for making batteries up to or more electric cells. आप मार्केट से भी सेल होल्डर को परचेज कर सकते हैं 2 इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स या उससे ज़्यादा बनाने के लिए, बैटरी बनाने के लिए। प्लेस द सेल्स इन देम प्रॉपरली, आप इसमें सेल्स को बढ़िया से अच्छे से प्लेस करिए, such that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. जैसे यहाँ पे आपने प्लेस किया, इधर पॉजिटिव इधर नेगेटिव और इधर फिर क्या हो गया, इसमें क्या रखेंगे पॉजिटिव इधर नेगेटिव। कनेक्ट अ पीस ऑफ वायर ईच टू द टू मेटल्स क्लिप्स ऑन द सेल होल्डर एज शोन इन फिगर। उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे वायर से इसको कनेक्ट किया गया है। योर बैटरी इज रेडी फॉर यूज। Students, do you know Paheli and Bujho wonder whether the batteries used in tractor, trucks and inverters are also made from cells. Then why it is called a battery? Can you help them to find the answer to these questions? Okay, आप इसको फाइंड करना है आपको। तो ट्रैक्टर्स, ट्रक्स एंड इन्वेंटर्स क्या बैटरी के बने हुए होते, क्या सेल्स के बने हुए होते हैं। देन वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ बैटरी, क्यों बोले जाते हैं बैटरी। ओके, नाउ योर एक्टिविटी, मेक द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट shown in figure. You used a similar circuit in class 6th to make an electric bulb. Do you remember that the bulb glows only when the switch is the on position? आपने ये देखा कि जब स्विच आपका ऑन पोजीशन में था, जब आपका स्विच ऑन पोजीशन में था तब आपका बल्ब ग्लो कर रहा था, तब आपका बल्ब ग्लो कर रहा था। लेकिन जब आपका ये कनेक्शन ब्रेक हो गया, जब ये कनेक्शन ब्रेक हो गया तो आपका बल्ब ऑफ पोजीशन पे था। तो स्टूडेंट्स, from here do you remember that the bulb glows when the switch is in the on position? Yes, the bulb glows as soon as the switch is moved to the on position. Copy this electric circuit in your notebook. Make also a circuit diagram of this circuit using symbols for the various electric component. Now I think you are ready to make a battery. Okay, for combination of cell you can make the battery. And negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. From this manner you can connect the cell to each other. Okay, by this you can make the battery. So this, in this diagram you can easily picturize that, see that it is, this is your an electric circuit. This is your bulb and this have the positive and negative terminal, and this is also connected with the wire, and this is your metal strip, and after adding this, circuit is completed and your bulb glows. Now from this diagram you can also see circuit diagram of electric circuit shown figure. Student, this is your bulb, and in which condition is this? In glowing condition. Your bulb is closed. This one is your what? This one is your battery, positive end and negative end. This one is what? Your connection. If this connection is breaks from here, the bulb किस पोजीशन में हो जाएगा? ऑफ पोजीशन में हो जाएगा. अगर ये कनेक्शन बना रहेगा, ये कनेक्शन जुड़ा रहेगा यहाँ से ये, तब ही आपका बल्ब ग्लो करेगा यहाँ पे इस पोजीशन में. अगर यहाँ ये इंटरप्ट हो जाता है तो सर्किट आपकी क्लोज हो जाएगी और बल्ब आपका ग्लो नहीं करेगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट, notice that the key or switch can be placed anywhere in the circuit. So you can key or switch, your key and switch, you can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Okay, when the switch is in on position, the circuit from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal is complete. Okay, if it is in on position, the circuit then set to be closed and the current flow throughout the circuit instantly. Student, this is your closed circuit because this terminal your positive and this have your positive and negative terminal, and the circuit is completed. You can see from here there is no any interruption in this diagram. This positive, negative, and this is your circuit. This one is completed, that's why your bulb glows. Okay, when the switch is off, when the switch is in off position, the circuit is incomplete. Okay, it is said to be open circuit. This is said to be open circuit when this is not connected with each other. This one is open circuit, and this one is what? Closed circuit. Closed circuit. So during open circuit, no current flows through any part of the circuit. From here you can see, this is from this diagram. This is your open circuit. In this circuit your bulb does not glow. Okay, this one is negative, this one is positive, but here the interruption, circuit is open, that's why your bulb does not glow. Caution: never touch a lighted electric bulb connected to the mains. Never touch a lighted electric bulb connected to the mains. It may be very hot and your hand may get burned badly. जब भी लाइट जल रही होती है, बल्ब जल रहा होता है, तो उसको आपको टच नहीं करना है, क्योंकि उस समय वो बहुत हॉट होता है और आपके हैंड बर्न हो सकते हैं. Do not experiment with the electric supply from the mains और अ जनरेटर और इन्वर्टर. आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट इनके साथ नहीं करने हैं, क्योंकि इनसे आपको बहुत सारे हार्म पहुंच सकते हैं, आपकी बॉडी बैडली बर्न कर सकती है. यू मे गेट एन इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक विच मे बी डेंजरस. अगर आप ये करेंगे तो आपको इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लग सकता है और आप खतरे में पड़ सकते हैं, आपकी जान को खतरा हो सकता है. यूज़ ओनली इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स फॉर ऑल द एक्टिविटीज सजेस्टेड हियर. जो भी आपको बताया गया एक्टिविटी के लिए, यू हैव टू फॉलो दीज एक्टिविटीज विद द इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स ओनली. नाउ heating effects of current. So students, this heating effects of current we will discuss in the next lecture. So thank you.